One always needs somebody like a Praveen who can literally pull you out of the bed.
Hello everyone, this is Ankita and I have completed 90 days of my base program with Body Pro Coach Fitness. It had been an incredible journey. I have lost almost 18 to 20 kgs of my weight.
Food strong daily protein. Hey guys, warm welcome to Body Pro Coach. I am Praveen Nair and this video is sponsored by Food Strong Daily Protein. Now there is a main reason behind why we call it as a daily protein, because this is the building block of your muscle. This is something that you need on a daily basis, and you need that high quality of protein to really get that muscle quality and to enhance your performance. It could be an athlete, it could be a normal person, So make it a point that you check out this video. It is very, very simple, easy to make it, and tasty to have it. Alright, let's jump into the video now. Alright guys, I'm a firm believer of weighing my food, so I always use a weighing scale. I'm going to put the link of the weighing scale below. Food Strong Whey Protein, all natural peanut butter, Almond fresh cream, and some stevia. Alright, so we're going to take an empty glass and tear it off so that becomes 0. Then after which I'm going to use about 60 grams of Almond fresh cream. So you can see that the measuring scale is that's 55. It's a little higher, it's 65 right now. I'm going to use now 30 grams of all natural peanut butter. Alright, so I'm going to just make it again unsweetened peanut butter. I got it again to 0. So now let's go into it. That's about 15 grams. 26 grams, so just a little bit more, we'll make it 30. Right there, to 30. Alright, the most important ingredient of our recipe for this mousse is going to be Food Strong Daily Protein. So I'm going to put about, say, half sachet of it. So the net weight is about 33 grams. I'm going to use pretty much a half of it. Make it 45 grams here on the scale. Now I'm going to use a spoon. Now I'm going to use one of the favorite ingredient, that's going to be the stevia. So just a few drops of it based on your taste. I'm going to mix it up nicely on this one. Alright guys, so we're going to mix it up nice and easy into it. Make a nice texture. Alright, now we're going to take a plain glass. Alright guys, jumping to the final dressing, you can see Hershey's sugar-free syrup. We're going to pour it and keep rotating the glass. It's the magic. You will learn it with the time. Alright, looks yummy already. Now I'm going to pour my mixture of the protein powder and peanut, or as you can call it as a complete mousse. Alright guys, the final touch up or the final dressing of the mousse is going to be right now, right? I'm going to use some cacao powder. It's ready. Now I'm going to keep this in the fridge. Now I'm going to keep this in the fridge for the next 2 to 3 hours and enjoy my keto protein mousse. Let's do this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please use this recipe, these are amazing, and of course Food Strong is one of my best reliable source when it comes to protein. Please use my code, that's Praveen10. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. That's Body Pro Coach, and you get about n number of exercise videos, and at the same time almost 700 about videos on nutrition. So you got everything that you need to make yourself fit. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.